Okay. So good
Okay.
good evening, everyone, and welcome to Bite Time Sessions. Today we are basically just here to share our knowledge and just learn something small today, right? So we have our brother Joseph taking us through some offensive sandbox from Echoctf. Okay, so just hold on tight and then let's get started. So Joseph, over to you. Okay.
Okay. Good evening, guys. So today I'll be doing a box on ecosystem known as chaos. So let me start the name. Okay. Hello, guys. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, we can. We can.
Okay.
All right. So guys, if you have any questions, feel free to drop it in the chat here. All right. Thank you.
Okay. So right now I'm performing mouse scan on that target, so I can get available ports, so I can start enumeration and those things. Okay, so the scan is done. We got two open ports. That's SSH and port 8080, which runs a HTTP proxy on it. So first we have to check what's on that port. So we are met with chaos. So let me try default logins and see where I'm able to. So invalid. Let's try adding 1, 2, 3. Invalid. Adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Still invalid password.
Here,
Okay.
hello, Joseph.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can't actually see your second screen. So if you could like, no, we just seen your Linux terminal. No,
Can you see that?
nope. Can
Okay, let me
anyone
try it.
confirm? Like, can anyone confirm?
Let me try it again. Can you see it now?
A second. Nope. It's
No. Wow.
no.
So right now, what are you seeing? I just seeing the Linux terminal. Someone said it's loading.
Please try sharing again. Let's see if it works. Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. Let me try it.
Okay, guys. So let's just hang in there for a while. I think he's trying to fix some bugs or something. Like just when he gets back, would continue. Yeah. Thank you. Hello, Joseph. Hello, Bobby.
Yeah. Can you see the screen now?
Yeah, we can. We can. All right. Here. So I think we can continue. Yeah. Hello? Can anyone confirm if they could see his screen, please?
Okay, so today we'll be doing a box on Echoctf, which is chaos. So first, I've already started the machine. Copy the IP address. Then we perform enumeration using scanning methods like MR. So sudo MR. The scan is taking a little bit long, so let's wait. Okay.
Sure. All right.
Okay, so it's now in the scan. We got two open ports as SSH, then ATT. So it's running a web service for on port 8080. So normally I check port 8080 web service first before I go on to the SSH because sometimes SSH maybe you can lead you maybe direct to your address where you can get maybe keys to log in. So first I'll check the port 80 on that IP. Okay, so we are met with a chaos web server with the login page. So we try the default password admin doesn't log in. Admin at 123 doesn't log in. At admin at 12345 doesn't log in. So I'll try admin 123 didn't log in. So admin 12345 couldn't log in. So you try whether maybe we can reset something using a forgot your password. It looks like that this hyperlink doesn't lead to anywhere. Yes, it doesn't link to anywhere. It's just a hashtag. So you see after the backspace, you see a hashtag there, which means that the website where there is no path. So I'll check the about. The about just leads us straight to the where chaos source code on GitHub. So so from here we have to get um, logins. So first I have to try and get the version of this web server running. So I'll try to check the source code to see whether maybe I can get version inside the source code. If not, then so we can just chaos vulnerabilities. So from the this one we see that it's just a chaos rat vulnerabilities. So we see that there's vulnerabilities that are showing here. Since we can't get a service, we'll try to look for any reset. So I'll try this, which has a command injection. It has a command injection vulnerability. So as I was doing this box, I realized that this exploits were not working. All were not working. So I went through the source code over here, and I saw that I had to download all the source code. Then I went through their README for all the versions. So when I went through their README for all the versions, I was able to get the the login. So I tried every login from the README, and this is what worked. Admin change room. That's what worked. So I was able to log in with the admin change room. And when I got here, I tried to use this exploit, but I couldn't work because I was not able to. When I click the build, it's not able to generate the client application for the rat to for you to install the agent or your target. So it's not generating the binary. So I just came to come to generate client where it takes a server address, your IP address, with a server port, and a file name and a target. Normally, sometimes you can perform command injection using the file name because most developers don't um, train. They don't train the input which the user is putting, which can lead to command injection. So if you watch the source code over here, I was able to investigate and come to what was building the binary. So when you come here, you see that it takes a build CMS CMV command, and a build CMS command it takes the OS target. The OS target which is the IP, then the run hidden, which is over here. Run hidden. This parameter will be set. So it takes those parameters. So it takes run hidden. It takes the server port. It takes the server address. Then a token. Then on my side, it generates JWT token that will be used for every binary for unique. So that if the person installs the rat and the person is connected to the C2 command server, it will be able to differentiate between targets and it takes a file name. Then it passes all those things straight to this command. So this command is vulnerable. What the developer must like he should have sanitized the build CMD parameter so that if the user puts a malicious anything malicious here, like command injection, it can remove those things. But you need to sanitize that build CMS variable. And it passes those variables straight to a exec command, which spans a shell. So when I saw this, I just came straight here. Then just add your command injection. Then AC, then point, then point 0.046. So this is what I found. But when I check other like how they exploited, this is not how they exploited it. So I don't want one of the exploit they exploited it from the URL, but this one exploited from the file name. Since whether you exploit from the URL or will still pass down to that build CMD variable. So that makes that thing vulnerable. Either way, you can put it here, you can put it here, you can put it here. You will still get your shell. So I'm listening on that. Let's listen on that. Let me clear and see. So now let's build and see. Okay, so we had a reverse shell. Right. But as I was doing this target, when you build, sometimes it will the shell will come, then it will disconnect because that exec command was executed, and when it's executed, it terminates. So another way you can do this is to add an ampersand. That's why I added an ampersand so that it runs it at the background so that that shell doesn't die with the web server process. We span the shell using Python. So we get our first flag in the environment variable. Then another flag we can get let's check in the ETS. So we have this. So I think it's close the show. So let me cancel the show. Let's find the show. so there's no flag here. So what we can do now, we can normally check our sudo dash L to see whether any program has been given SUID privileges to run without password. So we can just try sudo dash L, and we see that there's a binary known as network. So we can also try before running in this. These are the things you can check. You can check the permissions of FC password, whether you have right access to those. So since I don't have right access, and we can see that sudo dash L gives us a network binary that we can use to for privilege escalation. We just catch what is inside that binary to see what it entails. Okay, so we can see that it requires commander and it checks inside your JSON. It is using it checks packet your JSON and OJS. With OJS, if you want to see what like let's say that for Python, how you can install packages using pip with Node.js, if you want to see which packages that binary use, you will get what all the packages are used by that.
Here,
So we can check the package.
here. Sorry to interrupt you, Joseph. Can you please take that part again? I think we lost
Okay.
you a bit. Yeah.
So with Python, for example, with Python, you see you install packages using pip, but this is Node.js. If you see package with JSON, it keeps a list of all dependencies or packages that are used in that program. You get me? Hello, hello.
Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense,
Okay.
bro. All right.
So first we can check the permissions on that binary, whether we have right access to that binary. And it looks like it's a link. So there's this command you can use to read where a link points to, a symbolic link, where it points to your real file where that thing exists. So you use this command real link dash n, which gives you where the thing is really the real file part of that symbolic link or linkage, where it points to finally. Hello, please one. Hello. Yeah.
Yeah, please unmute yourself. Yeah.
Hello, can you hear me now?
Yeah, perfect. Yeah, we
Okay.
can.
So I'm saying that I'll move to the bin folder so that I can see what is inside that folder too. Whether maybe I can get right images in maybe the node packages that network depends on, or maybe that folder I can write into that folder. If I'm able to write into that folder, I can change the network to a binary I control. So let me move into this one first. Shell is failing. So let's try another shell. So I'm moving to that folder. So there's nothing here. So I'll move back to what. Okay, so this is where I can get a packet on JSON. It's like a folder where all the things it means I can run, I can check all the files there and the libraries, it depends, everything, the packages, just as I explained earlier. So I'll cut the packet JSON. Then I can see that there are some dependencies here. So right now, what I can do is I'll check network with this version, whether there are any vulnerabilities on that version. So network 0.6.1. So there are no vulnerabilities here. So let me go back again to check from those the first URL. Now, okay, there are some vulnerabilities here. The one is high. So we check, and there's arbitrary command injection without the package or network right now. So affected versions of the package are vulnerable to software to use staff with exec function without proper input sanitation. So if attacker control, user input is given to the MAC address for function of the package. It is possible for the attacker to execute arbitrary commands on the operating system. So we check, and this is the exploit is suggesting we use. So let's go back to the binary again and read the logic. So from this, we, when you type network, then public IP, it will require these things. So you are looking for network MAC address 4. So over here, MAC address 4, program command. So when you type network space MAC address 4, the interface, where it takes the interface is vulnerable. So you say MAC address for interface, then it takes your interface. So the interface, which interface are you using? Maybe let's check which interface are online on this machine. So Etsy, we see as ETA0 is online. So we can use that to get the MAC address, the MAC address of that interface. So MAC address takes two from the exploit. MAC address takes two arguments that has to be passed to it. So it for you to get the command injection vulnerability, you have to put it to the first argument. Then you put this, the X1 for the second argument. So let's try this. Let's try. Then I will copy this. So we have passed our first argument. Now the second argument. Okay, so now let's check whether that file has been written. Okay, so it was written, but it was not executed with a what was it? It was not executed with root privileges. So these are we have to still there's a problem with the our payload for the command injection. So it means I have to play with this a little. Uh, can you?
Yeah, we can, but I think we just lost your screen sharing. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Yeah, can you see my screen now?
Perfect. Yeah.
You can see it now. Okay.
Yeah.
So we try sudo user local pin network. Then we try since it was an interface, we try this we'll see nothing. It doesn't reply anything. So try again. User local pin network. We put it inside quotes. Still doesn't give us anything. We try run execution. Okay, I've left something out. I left a MAC address for. So let's try it again. Sudo user local pin network. Then MAC address for MAC address. Try it. Okay, so it gives us the MAC address for this. So I we can investigate further and we'll see that how you check for the MAC address. there's a vulnerability of how it checks the it doesn't do input sanitation well. So we can go first, let's get root. So we can just put the command injection, the normal command injection, how we do command injection. So user local then let's mark address zero. The x1 parameter is optional. Okay, so you can choose not to bring the x1 parameter to work. For that, mark address form. So we just add the symbol for command injection. There you see touch TMP. And I put ampersand so that it doesn't hold this process that will be executing. Okay, so let's check whether something is there. Okay, so I was able to write hello as root. So let's you watch the command here. If you watch the command here, you see that the reason why it's crashed, you see at pipe.code127, it uses the same CMP command. Cut is cutting this one. It's cutting this far part to be able to get the MAC address from there. But since I've added a semicolon that breaks that cut command, it continues to execute the task command. So this is the problem, right? This is the problem. So we can just cut this one to see how the logic is able to where to get the MAC address for that interface. And you will see the MAC address there. So you see, it's checking. There's a hard symbolic link. So you just read link dash f. So when we check this, you should see let's yes. But first, let me get the root, a root shell. So I'm adding a slide bit to bring bash. Yes. Bash. Adding ampersand so that it doesn't hold the process. Okay. So now we can run bin dash dash b. I area root. So we can change. Okay. So this is how I was able to get a low shell on this machine. But if you want to investigate further, you can go into the binary and then to see where the vulnerability lies so that we're able to do the command execution, the injection on that binary. So you can die, it will the package that is so the same problem with how we got initial access. It executes the CMD function without without sanitizing or trimming unnecessary things that be added to it. So it does a net start command dash R and then grips you this. So you can try to run to see what it does. But this one is to get active network interface. So you can check for the MAC address, what it executes to get the MAC address. You can go through and watch the command. So we can see MAC address for over here. MAC address for it takes this is a command it executes like test as result plus net and it asks the nickname. So when you executed the command, you see that there was an address over here. You see that there was an address over here. So where's that's really well. So this you see that there's an address and we checked for this, which will contain the MAC address. So plus nickname, we use the nickname to do the command injection, the nickname variable to be able to do command injection. And the nickname was a network interface name. So the network interface name is the ET0. So this, but what they could have done is that they could have just done maybe pass out maybe only five length. You will have only five length characters because most interface names don't have long names. So what they could have done, they could have just used length or pass when a person pass the interface, it will check to take the interface and check whether that interface exists on the machine. If it doesn't exist on the machine, it rejects the interface. If the interface exists on the machine, it gets passed down to that nickname variable. So that's what they could have done to prevent this. So thank you for joining the bike session. Bye.
Awesome, 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 awesome. Thank you so much for the informative session. I think.
Okay, sure.
Hope we learned something new. Babalao, and other guys, yeah. So thank you for hanging in. Thank you for joining us for this session. Hopefully we'll have the same session, God willing, next week. So
Okay.
have a great evening. Have a good evening. And see you guys next week. All right.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.